Welcome back to my channel, The Coding Geeks, and first of all, Happy New Year 2019, everyone. I hope this year is prosperous and brings you all good luck. So, in this tutorial, I'll be talking about HTML quotations and citations. Different types of quotation citation tags are Q tag, block quote tag, abbreviation tag or ABBR tag, address tag, cite tag, and video tag. Video tag stands for bidirectional override. So what is Q tag? Q tag is used for short quotations or quotations. So it means that whatever text is between the Q tag is displayed with the help of double quotes. Block quote is also used for quotation, but the main difference between Q tag and block quote is that block quote uses a content from another source. So the cite attribute, it uses the cite attribute which displays the name of the source website's name, which we are using its content in our website. So here's the content of another websites in our website, and we close the block quote. So it does not display the content with the help of double quotes. So next tag is the abbreviation tag. It gives a full form of a word. So for example, the abbreviation tag, here's the format of the abbreviation tag. So we open the ABBR tag, then it has an attribute called title, and here in double quotes, let's for example take www, which stands for World Wide Web, and the main thing is that it displays only www. The World Wide Web is for the developer's understanding, which is not displayed in the HTML plate but is shown in the editor. So next tag is the address tag, and here's the format of the address tag. The address tag is used to display the address. Here the address is displayed in form of a straight line as that of paragraph, but if you want to be in a neat format, you can use break tags between the address tag. So next tag is the cite tag. The important thing to be noted between cite tag and cite attribute is that cite attribute just contains the name of the website whose content we are using in our website, but cite tag defines the title of the work. It means that if you're, for example, if you're writing a poem and you write the author's name or poet's name, with the help of cite, the poet's name will be displayed in the italic form. That's it. It just displays the text in an italic form. And the final tag is the video tag. Video tag, again, as I told you, it stands for bidirectional override. As the name suggests, it overrides the current direction. So for example, when we write like HTML, it goes from left to right, but when we use this tag, it overrides it and reverses the word. So when you see the execution of this tag in the editor, you'll understand how this works. So here's the format of the video tag. We open the video tag, then we have the direction attribute, so it's known as dir, is equal to RTL. It stands for right to left. And then we have the word or the text which we want to reverse it, and we close the video tag. So let us understand these tags, quotation tags, by executing in our editor. So open the editor. We have the basic tags like HTML head, title. Let's keep it as quotations, and close the head and open the body. So let's start with quote tags or Q tags. Suppose we take the example, this is my channel, then open the Q tag, let's type it as Coding Geeks, close the Q tag, close P. Then to keep it neat, let's use a break tag. Then next is block quote, so you type the block quote, tag and cite attribute, and the double quotes. For this, we'll just take the content from another website. So we'll open a browser, in the Google, take as W3 school and go here, and we copy this content for an example. As an example, you can understand how this works, and we type here as www the content here. And we close the block code. The next tag is abbreviation tag. So break here, line here, have paragraph tag, and open the ABBR tag. The title attribute is equal to skip. Let's open a double quotes. For an example, we'll take World Health Organization. Close the double quotes, close the angular brackets, and type it as a who. Close ABBR, close paragraph. And one more break, and have address attribute. Address tag. And let us keep it as, for example, California. And take the line here, USA, United States of America, and we have a break here, and we'll close the address tag. And the next tag is the site tag. So for example, open the paragraph tag. Welcome to my channel. Open the site tag. Let's type as coding geeks, and we close the site tag. Close graph tag. We'll again place a break here, and for the final tag, BDO bidirectional overrides, and we keep the open direction attribute, in double quotes RTL. RTL stands for right to left, and close the inverted quotes, close the angular brackets, and keep it as HTML. So normally the text moves from left to right. So let's see how BD works. Close body, close HTML, save it. Let's keep it as 7th HTML, save it. PC is a bit slow today. So after you get saved, open the place you have saved the document, and open. You can see here's the output of all the quotation tags. So this is my channel, the Coding Geeks, and the Coding Geeks has been displayed in double quotes. And here's the block quote. The block quote doesn't display the name of the website from where it is displayed, where it has been referenced. So it's for the developer's understanding. So it just displays the content from which we have used. So here's the content, and who stands for the abbreviation tag. As you can see, it doesn't display the full form, just the short form of the World Health Organization. Again, it's for the developer's understanding. And California, USA is displayed in italics. When you use that address tag, it is displayed in italics, and it's used to display the address. And here we have used the site tag. So it's, as you can see, I've used the site tag for my channel name, Coding Geeks, and it is again displayed in italic. And here's the video tag. As I told you, it has changed the direction, is overridden direction of the text. So again, when we change the code here to LTR, left to right, I'll save it again, refresh it. As you can see, it has changed it, and you can see it's HTML. So I hope you understood the basic quotation tags and citation tags in this video. I hope you liked the video, subscribe the video, and you please share the video. If you have anything, doubts, any new information about it, you can freely comment in the comment section below. Please press the bell icon so that you don't miss the future updates. Thank you.